Once there was a king who loved shiny things. 从前有一位国王非常喜欢闪闪发亮的东西。A kind god heard his wish and offered him one magical gift. 一位善良的神听见了他的愿望，答应送给他一份神奇的礼物。The king wished that everything he touched would turn to gold. 国王许愿，希望自己碰到的一切都变成金子。At first, the palace glittered brighter than the sun. 起初，整座宫殿金光闪闪，比太阳还要耀眼。He laughed as his crown, throne, and robes all turned to gold. 当皇冠、宝座和长袍都变成金子时，他高兴地笑了。Soon, however, his dinner became cold, hard gold, and he could not eat it. 可是不久，他的晚餐变成了冰冷、坚硬的金子，他再也没法吃了。His water turned to gold as well, leaving him terribly thirsty. 他的水也变成了金子，让他口渴难耐。Worst of all, when he hugged his beloved daughter, she became a golden statue. 最糟糕的是，当他拥抱心爱的女儿时，她竟变成了一座金像。The king wept, realizing that all the gold in the world could never replace his daughter. 国王哭了，终于明白世上所有的金子都无法代替他的女儿。He cast the gold aside and learned that greed brings sorrow, while true happiness comes from love and caring. 他把金子抛在身后，明白了贪婪只会带来悲伤，而真正的幸福来自爱与关心。